Hello, welcome my dear student and very good morning. We discussed about the new module, network module last week. We started network module. Network module has a different type of task. We studied some tasks last week. This week started a new task. This week started prepare crossover cable and straight through cable using Cat5 E cable. This has four objectives. One is identify cable according to EIA TIA standards, clarify crossover cable and straight through cable, identify tool and equipment, prepare crossover cable and straight through cable. Today discuss about identify cable according to EIA TIA standard. Learning objective is identify cable according to EIA TIA standard. You should be able to finally identify cable according to EIA TIA standard. These objectives learning today. End of this lesson, you should be able to identify cable according to EIA TIA standard. I provide by sample document. This is a sample document. This document I uploaded G drive, and you search the G drive and open this document or download this document and read carefully. First document is the standard document. This document including the ANSI, TIA, EIA standards, commercial building, telecommunication cabling standards. Second document, EIA, TIA 568 and 568B standards, including this document. This document you read very carefully. And third document I provide color code standards. This color code is you learn. Should be learned. That is a color code. I provide by this document G drive. Another document is UTP categories. UTP categories. This is a presentation file. This presentation file I give by last week. You read this slide. UTP cable category. This presentation file read again by again. Finally, I given to you practical quizzes. This lesson, end of this lesson, I give practical quizzes. This is sample practical quizzes. You should follow this question and answer this question. Finally, I give a assignment. This assignment you should be prepare standard. Okay. This all document I uploaded to the G drive and search and download or open this document and read, follow this document. What is a standard? Standard is a technical document designed to be used as a rule and guideline for definition. I provide to you standard PDF file and G drive. Download the standard file, standard PDF file, and download and read this standard. Standard document including the rules, guideline, or definition. This document provide computer industry. by the various international bodies. Example for various international bodies: European Computer Manufacturer Association, Electrical Industry Association, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineer, International Standard Organization, International Telecommunication Union Sector, Conference European Post of Telecommunication, American National Standard Institute, Telecommunication Industry Association. What is the ANSI TIA 568 standard? 568 is a technical standard for commercial building cabling for telecommunication product and services. The little of the standard commercial building telecommunication cabling standard and published by the Telecommunication Industry Association. Accredited by American National Standard Institute. This standard we want to this task. Finally, we create a UTP crossover cable and straight through cable. We should be study this standard. Okay. This standard including the two type of standards. One is a 568A, another is a 568B. This is created in 1988. This is a commonly used and talk about the feature of the specification created in the 1988. 568 is the definition of pin assignment. Pin assignment is we prepared the crossover cable and straight through cable. Cable end you find the 8 conductor, different colors. And terminator we use RJ45 connector. This connector has a 8 pin position. This is a 8 conductor and 8 pin position. How to connect this conductor to pin? I will teach about the how to connect this terminator. The pin pair assignment were named T568A. T is a TIA standard, and T568B, both which define the pin out specification order UTP pairs. Need to be terminated within 8 position, 8 conductor module. This is a 8 position. This is a 8 conductor module. This is also known as RJ45 connector. This is a 568 standard A and B standard. A standard start in the white green color. Second green, orange white, blue, blue white, orange, brown white, brown. TIA EIA 568B start in a white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. This standard use created by two type of cable. One is a straight through cable. We prepared the straight through cable. Cable end use two terminator. Using the RJ45 connector, one end use 568B. Another side is a 568B. Same standard using straight through cable. One end 568A, second end 568A. Or one end use 568B, second is 568 same B. Start in color white orange, start in color white orange. Or start in color white green or white green. Second cable we create crossover cable. Crossover cable use standard. One side is 568A, other side use 568B. One side is use B, other side A. Different standard use crossover cable. Okay. Today we discuss about identifier cable according to EIA TIA standards. Next thing next lesson we start in clarify crossover cable and straight through cable. We will meet next lesson clarify crossover cable and straight through cable. Okay, today I finish identify cable according to EIA-TI standard, and you follow the G drive and read the PDF document very carefully, and finally you practical assignment and practical quizzes and assignment. Okay, today I